Hey there, Critters Haven family. Whether you're taking your cat to the vet, moving, or going on a road trip, traveling with your feline friend can be a challenge. Today, I've got some awesome tips and tricks to help make car rides with your cat stress-free and safe. So, let's jump right in. Tip 1. Use a secure cat carrier. First up, always use a secure cat carrier. I know some cats love to roam free, but letting your cat wander around the car is not only distracting but dangerous in case of sudden stops or accidents. Choose a carrier that's sturdy, well-ventilated, and comfortable for your cat. Bonus tip, place a soft blanket or one of their favorite toys inside to make it feel more like home. Let your cat get used to the carrier at home first, so when it's time to travel, they feel more comfortable. Tip 2. Calming aids can work wonders. Now, some cats just hate car rides, no matter what you do. If your cat gets anxious or stressed, you might want to try some natural calming aids. Fell-away sprays, calming collars, or even CBD for pets can help soothe their nerves. Make sure to test these products out before the actual trip to see how your cat responds. Tip 3. Don't forget food, water, and breaks. Next, don't forget to pack the essentials. For longer trips, make sure to bring your cat's food, water, and travel bowls. Cats can get dehydrated, especially in a car, so offer them water at regular intervals. And remember to take breaks. If it's a long journey, let your cat out in a safe, enclosed space to stretch and use the litter box. Speaking of which, pack a small travel litter box as well. Some cats will refuse to go until they're back home, but others might need it, so better safe than sorry. Tip 4. Never leave your cat alone in the car. This one is super important. Never ever leave your cat alone in the car, even if it's just for a few minutes. Temperatures can rise or drop fast inside a parked car, making it dangerous for your pet. If you have to make a quick stop, have someone stay with your cat or take them with you if possible. Tip 5. Keep a cat first aid kit in the car. Lastly, it's always a good idea to have a basic cat first aid kit in your car. You never know when you might need it. Pack items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and any medication your cat might need. Having these supplies on hand can really save the day in case of minor injuries or emergencies. So there you have it, 5 essential tips to make traveling with your cat safe and smooth. Whether it's a quick trip to the vet or a longer adventure, I hope these tricks help you and your furry friend. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more pet tips and fun videos from Critters Haven. Until next time, happy travels with your kitty. Bye for now.